Okay, so our tree has all of this growth that is sprouting out, which does not look appealing from the street. So we're gonna go ahead and try out these new Japanese steel pruning shears. I just opened it out of the package. I haven't used them yet. There is a safety seal right here. So you just flip that down, close them back, put the seal back up. So super easy to use. So again, down, they expand. Now these are very, very, very sharp. So I'm going to just leave mine locked for right now while I'm explaining it. The handle is rubber, nice and easy to hold. I am not a gardener. I don't have a green thumb at all, so I've never used gardening shears before of any kind. So we're going to go ahead and test this out and see. Some of this growth is thicker because we have let these grow for a while before we got pruning shears. So go ahead and see. Wow, that was super easy to cut. Like I said, I've never done gardening before. This is like the most gardening I've done, or most yard work of any kind. This one's thicker, so I could not pull this out on my own. Like it's in there, really thick. There's all these ants right here I'm trying to get to move. Okay, so let's see how this cuts through this thicker branch. So lining it up, applying a little bit of pressure, and that cut it off very smooth, very, very little effort. I'm 5'2" and don't have a lot of upper body strength. There's a thicker one right here as well, and it can easily cut through. Yeah, that works really, really well. Can't believe how many of these are growing out of our tree. Looks so aesthetically unpleasing from the curb. That one's a really thick one. See, just cut through that really easily, and it's gonna make our tree look so much better. I was Googling, and trees do this whenever they're stressed. I have to look up how to prevent this from happening, or maybe it just happens in the spring. I don't really know, but it does not look good from the street. That's all I really care about, is it looking good from a curb appeal standpoint. And yeah, these are very easy to use. Now here's a pretty thick one. I'd say it's close to an inch at the base. It's probably close to an inch thick. So let me see. You can cut through that. Applying some pressure, squeezing a little bit, and yeah, it cut through that easily. Yeah, these work really well. I'm super impressed with how easy they are to use. In my head, it was really intimidating getting any kind of gardening stuff because I've never done it before. But yeah, all of it's coming off really nicely, very easily, and this is going to make our curb appeal so much better, and definitely make it easier for me going forward to just trim all the growth off as it grows and not wait like I did this time where it's thicker. It'll be a lot easier to just trim as I go and prevent it from overgrowing this much. So yeah, if you're looking for some shears, these ones really do work really well. It's a great value and super easy to use. And I love that it has a safety lock that's easy to use, and someone who's not into gardening can use this without any problem. So if you're needing some new garden shears, I highly recommend these ones. As you can see, they work great and they serve their purpose really well. They get all the growth off of trees. It's fun to do this. You definitely see me putting on an audiobook and just coming out here and getting all this growth off. If you're looking for some new tree shears, these are great. I highly recommend.